Howdy folks, Valentine's Day is coming up, but there's still time to make some heart-shaped clear ice to prove your love to your romantic partner. Now, this procedure is pretty simple, but you do need a 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you have a friend or a makerspace. That's not my problem. Now, I designed this mold in Onshape. I put it up on the Thingiverse if you're interested in downloading it. Now the one I printed, I forgot to put a hole in the bottom, so I had to drill a hole. But don't worry, I fixed it on the downloadable file. So all you gotta do is print it, stick it in a bottle. 700 milliliter smart water bottle works great. Stick that in a koozie, fill it with water, stick it in the freezer, wait. Pull it out when it's frozen. Wait 15 minutes. Run some water to get it out of the bottle. Cut off the clouds. Run some more water. Ice heart. Don't forget to stamp the ice with each of your initials. Now just make them a drink and enjoy some warm, loving feelings.
This heart might be frozen, but mine is melting.
Darling, you should make some clear heart ice. I think that would make him change.